Yan guys, good morning. Magpriprito po tayo ng egg guys na may kasamang alamang. Yan. Sarap to guys. Promise. Titira na natin yan. Yan guys, ang sausawan natin. Yan. Saka dato puti, walang kalamansi. Yan guys, samuin na natin yan. Pwede na yan. Ating recipe. Yan guys. Ating fried rice. May kasamang yan. Let's eat na. Yan guys, ang ating yan, for breakfast only. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.